If you just opened Go High Level and immediately thought, I feel like I'm already behind, then this video is for you, because here's the truth. Most people don't fail with Go High Level because it's hard. They fail because no one explains what actually matters first. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what Go High Level actually is in 2026, who it's for, and what you should ignore so that you don't overwhelm yourself. If you only understand one thing from this video, Go High Level will immediately feel simpler. Here's what we're going to cover: what Go High Level actually is, why people get stuck, and what you should focus on in your first 30 days. My name is Stacia Liu, and I've built multiple businesses using Go High Level, helping entrepreneurs set it up from scratch and cleaned up more broken accounts than I can even count. And what I've noticed is this: people who succeed aren't the most technical. They're the ones who understand the system first. They understand the importance of this. Go High Level is not just a software, it's a business operating system. Okay, here's what that means: it replaces your customer relationship management tool, CRM, your email platform, your text messaging tools, your calendar, your funnels, your automations. So instead of duct taping 5 tools together and hoping that they work, Go High Level actually puts everything in one place. And that's why it feels overwhelming at first. There are tons of other platforms, and I've put them all together and had to duct tape and zap things together. And this is the first one that's actually done it right. And they keep getting better and better. You're not learning a tool, which is scary. Most people are like, oh, I don't want to learn another tool. You're learning an infrastructure. All right. What Go High Level, who's it for? Go High Level is for people who want a system. They're for coaches, consultants, service providers, local business owners, and people who want recurring revenue, recurring income with software. That's a huge opportunity for people who want to be able to create a recurring income without having to hire software developers and much, much more. So it's not for people who are looking for a magic button. And this is what it really matters. It really matters a lot here. If you like clarity, leverage, and building once instead of repeating yourself over and over, nothing irks me more than having to repeat myself over and over. Go High Level makes a lot of beginners make the same mistake, right? They start with fun or automations, or they copy advanced workflows that they saw online. They buy all these templates, and then they're trying to figure out how the heck does this work, and they feel even more lost. Not because Go High Level is complicated, it's because they skip the foundation. People skip it all the time and they wonder why everything's broken. This is the part people don't hear, and I want you to really understand and lock in here closely. In your first 30 days, you're gonna, and this is a very unpopular opinion, the advanced automations, all the AI tools that they're promoting, you're going to get a lot of blasting information about all the new things, custom objects, white label settings, the reputation management campaigns. Not because they're bad, they're great features, because I want you to focus on step 1. They're not step 1. Understand this. You don't need more features. You need fewer decisions. And so here's what actually matters first: understanding contacts, understanding pipelines, very simple features that are going to help you make money and help your clients make money. Understanding how leads enter the system. This is very important. Once you understand the flow, everything starts to make sense. And that's exactly what we will build next. All right. So if you want to follow along in my free training, I recommend the basics and the foundations that you need to get this started. I've linked a free 30-day trial. You mostly, if you ask anybody, you go straight to the website, you're going to get a 14-day trial. You get a 30-day trial of Go High Level using my link in the description. And also you'll receive all of my free bonuses and trainings. I also do a live Q&A session, and you'll also be able to get an onboarding session with High Level themselves as well as myself. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through exact steps in order of what you need to set up your Go High Level account so you know what to do next. You don't need to be duct taping things together. I want to make sure that you get the best training, because I didn't have any of that. I spent thousands of dollars with all the gurus you're seeing out there with outdated training and much more. So don't come at me if you're looking at some of my trainings here on YouTube. That's the free stuff. I've got the updated training over inside of my program to give you exact steps of what you need to do so you can fast track your way to starting your SaaS business or using it to grow your actual local business. Whether you're a brick and mortar coach or consultant, this will work for you. If you have any questions, you can click a link in the description and book a call with myself or my team and learn more in 2026. You do not want to be in confusion land and working harder than you really need to. All right. Thanks for watching this video. This is the video for you if you are a beginner, and hopefully this explained a lot of things as a beginner in 2026. If you're looking into Go High Level, grab that link in the description. Let's lock in the next 30 days so that you know exactly what you need to do and not have to waste time, because money loves speed. All right. I'm here for you. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next one, where we're going to talk about exactly how to set this up in order. Make sure to stay tuned and lock in. Make sure to click that notification bell as well and comment below. Send this out to a friend. Of course, you know what to do. We'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.